Good morning guys, welcome to day 4 of vlog week. Happy Friday. I'm so excited for the weekend. This week honestly went by like really fast. I don't know if it's because I've been vlogging, but we are up going to the gym at 6:30 in the morning. Super cold and rainy outside. I feel like I'm like a newscaster right now because I'm literally just stating facts. But I have a good bit of stuff to get done today, but we're gonna start going to the gym. You guys know I'm trying to work out 25 times this month, or 25 times every month, but it's honestly like a lot to keep up with. So we're gonna go do that right now. Something else I really wanted to take care of this weekend is like car stuff, but I'm not going to because it's cold and rainy. I wanted to get my car washed, but also I need to get the oil changed and get my tire pressure checked in my tires. Car stuff freaks me out. Does it do that to anybody else? Like, I hate going to like the tire place or the oil changing place because I don't know what to ask for, because they'll be like, what can I do for you? I don't know. And I know I'm 24 years old and I gotta get over that and just go. And I've done it before. I did it in Ohio a couple times, but I hate that. And it's nothing against them, it's literally just me. Super rainy, super bad lighting, but no joke, this is my favorite time of day every single day. Drinking my Spark in the car, blaring the music, driving to the gym. It's my favorite 10 minutes out of the whole day. Sometimes you need that like 10 minutes to yourself. This is that for me. It's just, I don't know, and I'm in such a good mood today. Don't know why. Okay guys, we are at our desk about to start the day of work. I'm about to eat a banana. My mom is home today and she's getting Starbucks, so I'm very excited about that. I know I mentioned earlier I've been trying to like put on makeup and like jewelry or whatever, or I mentioned that in the vlog yesterday, but today I chose to blow dry my hair instead because it was still like a little wet, because y'all know I'm so bad about letting my hair just like air dry. That's why I'm so excited. I know I keep talking about it. I'm so excited to finally get a haircut tomorrow, so that way hopefully it's not as horrible to air dry. This week I just can't get over how fast it went by. So fast. I feel like it is Tuesday. So it is 11:15 now. I've been working and I just made a vlog from yesterday live, so feeling on top of it, and I have another meeting in a little bit. I'm looking a little rough today. I'm really hungry, but I think I'm gonna wait until after my meeting to get some lunch. As I am hungry, I'm gonna eat one of these. Y'all, these things are literally my weakness. I talked about this a couple days ago. They taste just like cookie dough to me, but they're not very healthy. But they are very good, and they do actually fill you up. Like, I eat these every morning, junior year of college, every morning. I'm about to go to my next meeting. I don't know why I'm sitting right here, but I feel like I share all of my random thoughts in my vlogs, and today's random thought is how bad I want a personal trainer. Like, I've always wanted one, and I've always told myself whenever I get a big girl job, I'm gonna get one. But whenever I move to Birmingham, I really think that's gonna be something that I invest my money in, unless they have like boxing classes, which I think they do. But so badly, I want like a personal trainer. I want to learn how to like really lift weights and go to the gym and be confident in it, because I really do feel like I've gotten stronger because I've been trying to lift weights, but I just need help because I get nervous. I feel like a lot of girls feel this way when you're in the gym and you feel like you know what you're doing, but you don't want people to like stare at you. But honestly, TikTok has taught me a lot, because there's so many like trainers on there and people that do all these fitness videos that like inspire me every day. I really want to like take it up a notch so badly. I wish we had a boxing place near us, because y'all, when I lived in Columbus, going to boxing was like the highlight of my day every day. I've never loved anything so much, and it was mostly because of like the music that they play, and it's like really dark in there and you can just like zone out. I don't know where these thoughts are coming from. I'm just really thinking about like spring and summer coming up, so I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm not ready, because I love leggings and sweatshirts. But another random thought I'm having is about online shopping. I mentioned this yesterday. I want to buy like a new wardrobe, like sell all my clothes, buy minimalist things, like just a couple pair of jeans, tops, jackets, and things that I can style together. I'm really not good at that, honestly. But another thing that I'm going to be on today is the Jaclyn Hill makeup that comes out this afternoon. I'm so excited for it because she hasn't come out with stuff in over a year, and honestly, when it comes down to it, that's my girl. Like, I love anything she comes out with, and I did get the lipsticks, and honestly, I do still use them sometimes. And then of course, it's Friday. We're gonna go to Target per usual. Guys, no joke, at 1 o'clock on the dot, I added this to my cart, and it is already sold out. I am so sad. I'm so upset. Literally, like within 3 seconds, sold out. I'm so upset. I even tried it on my phone as well. Whatever, saving money. So it is a little bit later. I'm still bummed that I did not get the Jaclyn Hill makeup. Like, I am so heartbroken. I thought for sure I was gonna get it. I had it pulled up on my phone and my computer. I was ready, and like right at 1 on the dot, it was sold out. So heartbroken about that. But I do have a little bit of a break right now. It's 2 o'clock. I ate some lunch and I got a really exciting package. As you will see, I got my Ipsy box for the month, and I am an Ipsy Open Studios member, so I do get the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Pluses every single month. And normally I film like a solo video, but this vlog is kind of boring, so I thought I would do my Ipsy unboxing for February in this video, and I'm so excited. So here's what it looks like. I love how they have the foam in here to keep it all safe. Woo! Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so cute. So it's like this leathery makeup bag. So the Glam Bags always come in like minis, and the Glam Bags, I believe, have 5 travel sized products or like minis, and then the Glam Bag Plus has 5 full-size products. So this is the regular Glam Bag. It says sealed with a kiss. This is like the cutest makeup bag. It's like a little envelope. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I'm so excited. So the first thing in here is a One Kind Porefectionist Refining Facial Pink Clay. I guess this is a mask. The packaging is so pretty and sleek. So we love that. Okay, next we have this. This in this little packaging. This is an eyeshadow duo, Rose Gold and Ivory, from the brand Love You First. Okay, so it's kind of like a deep tone, so you can create like a really pretty, like bronzy, smoky eye. We love that. And the packaging is really cute. Next up we have, okay, this is About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint. So the packaging on this is really pretty. I've never had one of these, so this is interesting. Okay, it looks brown. So this is like really cool. It's like that soft matte feel. Oh, it's like brown. Okay, we're gonna have to do another video where we test this out, but that looks really pretty. And brown is like the color right now, which is funny because it's like getting close to springtime, but brown is everywhere. Oh yes. Okay, so we got some MAC lipstick, MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in the shade Sweet Sakura. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. Looks like a really pretty deep red. I feel like everything they sent is like a perfect like Valentine's Day themed, get ready, glam kind of thing. Y'all know what MAC looks like. Oh, this looks so pretty. And I've been wanting a new red lipstick. So that is like that perfect true red. I thought it was a little bit deeper, but that's beautiful. Next thing is Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Orange Fizz. Oh, this is from Bite Beauty. I used to have Bite Beauty lipstick, and I had minis like this. I got them from Sephora, and I loved them. I used every bit of it. So this is like an orangey red. Okay, so that looks so pretty. Love that. I need somewhere to go to wear all of these pretty makeup products. The last thing we have is, oh yes, they know how to come through with the eye creams. An illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream, and this is from Glam Glow. I love Glam Glow's mask, and this looks so cute. It's like this rose gold packaging, and it's so mini. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. I told y'all before, and I'll tell y'all again, Ipsy has the best skincare, and I don't know if it's because I didn't really do a whole lot of skincare before Ipsy, but they've introduced me to like everything. Okay, next we have the big bag, and okay, so it looks like we have a couple bags actually. So we have this bag and this bag. Something's in this bag, but there's more in the box. So I'm curious as to what's in this bag. First, oh, this is from the brand Refreshments. So I actually got stuff from them in another box, if y'all remember. They gave me some stickers. And then also this little handout. It says you're invited to a party for one. So it's kind of like a little self-care pamphlet. We'll go through that later. Okay, what is this? So this looks like, it says glide gracefully over curves and make way for smooth. Is this a razor? Oh, it's a razor kit. I didn't even read the front. I always buy like the disposable cheap razors because I am cheap when it comes to buying that stuff. Oh, this is so pretty. Truly, I'm overjoyed about this. I've been needing like a nice razor. We're gonna test that out later, even though I just shaved my legs this morning. Now I wanna shave them again. That is so exciting. And then also they sent me a pillowy shave cream. This is so fancy. I love this. Normally I just buy whatever is like the cheapest at the store. So that's so exciting. Yes, okay, it keeps getting better. Sometimes I get a little bit too excited, but I'm really excited about this. So they sent me an It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Foundation brush. I've never had a brush from It Cosmetics, but I've only ever heard good things, and I really like the shape of this one, so it makes me want to get ready right now. Also, I missed this earlier, but they sent me a card. Oh yeah, y'all know, okay, this is great. So they sent me the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, so it's just an invisible gel. I need all the help with my brows I can get because I never know what I'm doing. Then they sent Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It says it deeply hydrates to reduce redness and signs of irritation. If you haven't noticed by now, my face gets very, very red naturally. The packaging, so pretty, so sleek. The last thing in the box is this Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. It's for all skin types, and the packaging is so pretty and sleek as well. So this is just incredible. Okay, so that was all that was in my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Pluses. I will have the links below so you can check out Ipsy. I'm so excited about this. This is literally the highlight of my month. Every month is getting me a nice little Ipsy bag, or actually 2 nice Ipsy bags. This is just like, again, the cutest thing ever, and I'm also obsessed with this. If you haven't noticed, I love anything with like lips and that's like bright and colorful, so that's like right up my alley. I just finished up my lunch break time, and now I'm about to go get back to work for a little while. It's so gloomy outside. I almost like don't want to leave my house and go anywhere, like go to Target or anything, and I'm so full because I got so hungry because I didn't eat until like 1:45, and now I'm like overly full. Y'all, literally as soon as I finished filming that, I got a knock on the door and we have another box. I think I'm gonna save this to open tomorrow and let Ipsy have its whole little moment today. But Ipsy is the favorite part of every month for me. But FabFitFun is my favorite part of every season because it comes 4 times a year. So y'all know, and if you want to use my code Claire10, you get $10 off. I passionately will talk about FabFitFun and Ipsy all day. Hey guys, so it is currently 6:30. So as soon as work ended around 5, I was like, I need a nap. It's raining outside, and so I slept for like almost an hour. I'm still so tired. I probably shouldn't have slept because now I'm gonna probably be up really late tonight. But I had full plans to like go to Target and do my little Friday evening like Ulta, TJ Maxx trip. But it's like super rainy outside, so I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow after I get my hair cut and stuff. But guys, I needed that nap. So you know me, just your classic 24-year-old living at home, having a wild Friday night. Honestly, I'm getting a little hungry. I may go make something. I really don't feel like leaving the house because again, like, it's rainy. I kind of want to get in the shower and like do like a steam bath and like do my body scrub, put on a face mask, put my hair up, and find a good movie to watch tonight, or either keep watching The Mindy Project. I really want to watch a movie. I really want to go to the movies and get popcorn and have the whole thing. But I think a movie in here is gonna have to be. I kind of want to do a puzzle too. I know, I'm wild. Already 6:30, and I'm so old that like 8 o'clock is like bedtime, so we'll see what happens. But I think I'm about to go take like a steamy hot shower, scrub my whole body, do my face routine, skincare, all that jazz, because that makes me happy. Okay y'all, it is 10:19, so much later. So I've already edited all of this vlog up to this point. It's crazy how late it is. I have done so much. I will catch you up. I actually have not done a lot, but I have some laundry I need to fold. So I just put my glasses on. We made homemade pizza, or my mom did, and I watched, what did I watch? Okay, you guys know I've had an obsession with Criminal Minds, and so I was really feeling something up that alley, so I started watching the movie My Friend Dahmer on Hulu, and it's kind of like creepy. And no, maybe it wasn't Hulu, maybe it was like Amazon Prime or something. But I kind of just like fast forwarded through it because I wasn't really sure what it was about, but wasn't really feeling it. So I watched this weird movie called Palm Springs on Hulu with Andy Samberg. It was honestly like kind of entertaining, so I just watched that. Been scrolling on my phone, wasted my night. I know this like was not entertaining at all, but I promised vlog week. But now we are about to get to business. Guys, this has happened since literally 2 days ago. Just from the laundry. I know I've been saying like, oh, I have so much laundry to do. I've been like throwing the clothes I need to hang up, like throwing them on top of like all my leggings and stuff that I've had folded. I have to redo this every single week because I do this. It's like I get busy, busy and I don't want to hang it up in the moment, so I just fold it and lay it down in there and then never get back to it. Or either when I'm going to the gym in the morning, I'll try on a bunch of different things, acting like I don't wear the same things every day and I don't like what I'm wearing, so I will lay it down and I'm like, oh, I'll fix that later. But we are gonna fold these clothes and also organize my closet because it desperately needs it. And we are going to turn on some TV if I can get it on. I think we're gonna watch The Mindy Project. I know I keep talking about it, but I am on season 5 now and I'll probably finish it by next week. Y'all, like 10 minutes later, and we have cleaned up our space. Let me show you the closet. This is just like as good as it's gonna get. I know there's like a lot better organization techniques that I could place into here. I literally just have all my hats on the ground because I literally grab a different hat every day when I'm going to the gym. So and there's just like not enough space. This is like why I feel like I really need a 2-bedroom, because that's not even like a fraction of my clothes. And yes, that's a sign that I do need to get rid of a lot of clothes. I have more clothes in here, and then also I have bags and bags and bags and bags of clothes in store. One last thing before I go, my camera is literally about to die. I just wanted to say once again that ARC toothpaste, well, it's not toothpaste, the whitening booster and then the whitening gel. What is this? The booster and then the teeth whitening pen precision applicator. I have noticed the biggest difference in my teeth in just like 2 weeks. My coffee stains were so bad, so I just wanted to say, if like, even if I go to Target tomorrow, I'm probably gonna buy more so that way I have it, because this stuff sells out so often. But yeah, so I just wanted to remind y'all, like, go get this stuff. It's amazing. This is only $8. I'm about to go to bed. I have a long day tomorrow and I'm really excited to get a haircut. Once again, I've said it 1,000 times, but I will see y'all in day 5 of vlog week, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.